I'm selling cosmetic. This one sometimes from Germany. I buy from Germany. So I deal on this one. Also ship this one with spaghetti. This is business also that I sell, guys. Sleep, pant liner, all those things. I sell it, guys. This is long one. Long. This is short. So my people, they sell all these things. So if you want pads, always pad, tampons, all these things, I sell it. This one. So I sell. So guys, cosmetic. Guys, it's totally cosmetic. I sell this one, guys. This one's like this. If you want, so it has many colors. As you can see, it has many colors. You can see it has many colors. You see, this one is to bath. This one is the shampoo. So shampoo. Okay, we have the cream. So if you want this one, just inbox me. We talk about the markets. Okay. So thank you. Take care. Even roll on. I sell roll on. Okay. Guys, hello guys. If you want to be selling golf machine, as you can see, that's golf inside. You can see the machine, that's golf inside. You see, to be doing it for your children or selling it. Okay. So guys, this is golf machine. I also deal on this thing, but for second hand because I cannot buy the new one. Even the bread machine, everything, guys. Look at it. They for shop. I'm just showing you because even distributor, I deal on distributor. So if you want to be selling distributor, you tell me. This one, they are also business. I love this one, guys. This is good business. Distributor. If you're out there, you want to be selling distributor, all this electrical something, I'm ready to bring it. I used to bring it, so I'm selling it, guys.